Welcome back, young superhero coders. It's time for class 4 and today, we're unlocking Iron Man's powerful scanning eyes. We'll use a blinking LED to act like Iron Man's eyes turning on and off. Just like when he's searching for danger. Let's jump into the superhero code and break it down, step by step, line by line. Step 1. Activate eye vision. We start by telling pin D7, hey, you are in charge of the eye light today. Pin mode 7, output. This means pin 7 is ready to send power to turn on Iron Man's glowing eye. Step 2. Scan mode on. Time to turn on the eyes and start the scan. Digital right, 7, high, that's like saying, eyes on. Let's look around. Step 3. Keep eyes open. Now we let them stay on for half a second. Delay, 500, means 500 milliseconds, and that's just 0.5 seconds. Step 4. Blink off. Time to give the eyes a blink. We turn them off. Digital right, 7, low, the light goes off, blink complete. Step 5. Pause between scans. We wait again for half a second before starting the next scan. Delay, 500, it's like Iron Man's eyes are resting before scanning again. And that's it. You've built Iron Man's blinking eyes with just a few lines of code. Hit start coding, upload the code, and watch your LED blink just like Iron Man's eyes scanning the battlefield. See you in the next mission, where we'll make even cooler Iron Man gadgets come to life. Keep building, keep blinking, and keep coding.